everybody, welcome to Pantech learning. Writing a resume appears to be very easy, but is that in a correct or good format? That is a question, right? So in today's video, we will learn how to make a good and attractive resume. So the first thing is why the resume should be attractive. Because a strong resume has the ability to open your doors and recruiters will notice you, collects your most valuable abilities and achievements, and then shows how you're good fit for the job, and most importantly it will get you the job interview, right? Okay, these are all fine, but what is resume first? Resume means it summarizes our skills, experience and accomplishment, and it is not just for adults applying for their job. It is also for high school students need a resume to apply to college or scholarship or internship like this, right? Okay, now look forward to the creation of resume. If you love this video, just like it and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, right?
Okay, and this is an example resume that we create on a regular basis. Okay, and so look at this career objective here. Many of them using these sentences, and these same sentences all are using, right? And mainly you won't copy paste your resume, and also you will construct a separate resume for each role. Okay, so the interviewers will just spend 1 to 2 minutes on your resume. So it must be no more than 1 page long, right? And look at this format, very old format, and it takes time to read also. Okay, and see this declaration here. Why it is no need to give this kind of sentence or statements here, right? So let's see how I am going to change this format resume to what resume requires wants, right? Okay.
Okay, just open your Chrome and open the website canva.com, right? And this is a home page. If you are a registered user, just log in here and continue with Google or Facebook or continue with email, right? Okay, so you can see so many templates are here, and so just select which you like, or just open a blank page and here give your photo, and your photo must be clearly shown here, right? And under your picture just type your name. Okay, and then you have to give your title means what you are if you are a software developer or Python developer or artist or whatever it is, you have to mention that under your name, right? And the next one is contact details, phone number, address and mail ID, and if you have any website name, and mainly your LinkedIn profiles. Okay, so these are the main contact details you have to give, right? And the next one is education section. Okay, in education section you have to give details by recently what you have completed. Okay, first you have complete your degree means you have to mention degree first, and then your HSC marks, and then your SSC marks. Suppose if you are completed master degree means first you have to give master degree details, and then bachelor degree, and then HSC details. Okay, so this is a format you have to mention here, right? And then skills means you have to give what you know very well. Okay, just mention some of the skills you have, right? And then, so this column is under about you. Okay, this full column is about only you, and the right side you have to give your experience, academic experience, and your certifications and all, right? So first one, work experience or internship. If you are a experienced person, just give work experience. If you are a fresher, you have completed internship, right? So just give internship here. Okay, and under this you have to give what company you have worked previously, and which role you played in that company. You have described in 1 to 2 lines here, right? And the next one is academic experience. Academic experience means what you done in your schoolings or college projects and all. Okay, if you are done mini projects, just give that details, and if you have completed main project, just give that details also, and mainly mention your duration, right? When you will start and when you will end. Okay, so the main thing is duration must be there, right? And after academic experience, the next one is certification. What are all certifications you have done? Just give one by one. Okay, so just see this, and overall resume is ready, right? So these are the details you have to give mainly. Your about yourself is one side, and your work experience is one side. Okay, so the recruiters easily understand what you want to convey. So this is the difference between old format and new format. Old format looks like you have to read 2 pages, and as same as the same detail will be here all here. Okay, so this is what recruiters want, right? And so the conclusion is simple is best. A clean straightforward layout is excellent unless you are applying for a design role, right? And use clear section headings with a bold text or capital letters or any colors to make them stand out, right? And make sure there is enough white space on your resume. An overloaded resume is difficult to read, right? So this is what I want to convey you. And resumes with a LinkedIn profile sees higher interview rates, so just mention your LinkedIn profile in contact info. Okay, but only less people included LinkedIn profiles. So in next video we are going to see how to create your LinkedIn account and what is LinkedIn and so on like this. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you love this video, just like it and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, right? Thank you.